Alright, today's a big one. We're unboxing the Sony A7V camera body and the Sony 24-70 G Master 2 lens. Now let's open it up. Right away, first thing we see is the paperwork. You've got the instruction manuals and warranty information. If you register the camera, Sony gives you an additional year of coverage. Next up, the camera strap, which is a black leather strap with the A7V logo embroidered on it. Under that, we have the battery. This is the Sony FC100 battery. It is the same battery used in the cameras like the A7 IV. Now, the moment I've been waiting for, the Sony A7V. First impressions, it feels really solid in the hand. Up top, you've got your mode dial, shutter button, record button, along with the hot shoe mount for accessories. Flipping the camera around to the back, you'll see the LCD screen and the full button layout. Sony's newest, most advanced screen technology is called the 4-axis multi-angle LCD monitor. On the side, we've got the dual card slots. This camera supports CFexpress Type A cards as well as SD cards. If you're shooting in high bitrate video or burst photography, I definitely recommend a V90 SD card or higher. On the other side of the camera, we've got the ports. Here, you'll find the USB connections, the microphone input, and the headphone jack. The dual USB ports are useful for streamers because it lets you power and connect the camera for streaming sessions. Now, this sensor is the reason why I made the upgrade from an APS-C to a full frame. This sensor has incredible dynamic range with great low light performance. The camera fits in my hands very comfortably. Coming with a very nice vivid screen. One cool feature about this is the minute you put it to your eye, the display screen transitions to the viewfinder. Now for my first lens, I decided to go with the Sony G Master 24-70 Mark II. This is one of Sony's most versatile lenses, equipped for both photography and videography. The lens comes with a lens hood, which is used for blocking stray light, preventing flare and glare. And there it is, the 24-70 G Master Mark II. Now, this thing does have some weight to it. However, it is lighter than the first version, the Mark I. On the lens, you have a tight and smooth switch, which allows for a steady or quicker zoom approach. 2 preset buttons, a toggle for the aperture ring, which allows the aperture ring to click or move smoothly without clicking. I'm not too sure what this latch is used for, so if anybody knows, please drop a comment and let me know. To pair the lens with the camera body, you have to align the 2 white dots. Turn right till you hear the click. First full frame in the bag, and we got the lens to go with it. No more compromises. I'm about to put this thing to work, so y'all tap in for more videos to come.